No matter how much you earn, if you don't have a plan for your money, you'll always feel broke. A bigger paycheck won't fix bad habits. If your bucket leaks, more water just means a bigger mess. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's you taking control. It's about telling your money where to go, not wondering where it went. When money's tight, a budget isn't optional, it's survival. It's the difference between peace of mind and sleepless nights. A budget is your roadmap from where you are to where you want to be. You become the boss of your money. Many fear budgets mean no fun, but the truth is, a budget gives you permission to spend, guilt-free. You know your bills are covered, and the stress melts away. It's not about restriction, it's about being intentional. You decide what matters and put your money there first. That's real financial freedom. Your income, no matter the size, is your most powerful tool. We're going to learn how to make it work for you. This is simple, practical stuff. Back to basics. It's time to give your money a mission and start winning today. The first step to budgeting is knowing where your money actually goes. Track every dollar for a month. Yes, every coffee, every app, every snack. Use a notebook, your phone, or an app. The tool doesn't matter. The action does. Don't judge yourself. Just gather the facts. You're a detective, looking for clues in your spending. Patterns will jump out. Maybe it's fast food. Maybe it's subscriptions. This information is power. Once you have a month's data, group your spending into categories. Housing, utilities, food, transportation, and so on. The goal is a clear picture. How much on groceries? How much on your car? How much on fun? This is the foundation for your budget. You can't plan for the future if you don't understand your past. Don't guess. Get the facts. Commit to this step and track honestly. It's the most important first move to take control. You can do this. Now, tell your money where to go next month with a zero-based budget. Take your total income, subtract all planned expenses, and make sure it equals zero. Every dollar gets a job before the month begins. Start with the four walls: food, utilities, shelter, transportation. Assign realistic amounts to each based on your spending. These are non-negotiables. Next, list other expenses: insurance, debt, personal spending, giving, even fun stuff. If you want movies or haircuts, budget for them. This is how you spend without guilt. If you have money left, assign it to goals like savings or debt. If expenses are higher than income, make cuts. Decide what matters less. Maybe it's eating out. Maybe it's a subscription. You're in charge. This is where you start to win. Adjust as needed, but always give every dollar a purpose. You are the boss. Saving on a tight income feels impossible, but you have to start, even small. Your first goal, a $1,000 emergency fund. This isn't investing, it's a buffer between you and life's surprises. When the car breaks down, you won't need a credit card. So how do you find the money? Get intense. Cut eating out, cancel subscriptions, sell what you don't need, look for extra work. It's a short-term sacrifice for long-term peace. Automate your savings, even $5 or $10 a week. Set up an automatic transfer the day you get paid. Small amounts add up fast. Saving is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start small, but start now. Every dollar saved is a win. Celebrate small victories. Your first $100 is a big deal. This isn't a race. It's about changing habits. You're becoming a saver. And savers, no matter their income, are on the path to winning. To save, you have to cut expenses. Get creative. Food is the biggest expense for most. Plan meals, make a list, buy generic, cook at home. Review your bills. Call providers for better rates. Cut what you don't need. Subscriptions add up. Pick one or use the library for free. Small, daily changes matter. Make coffee at home, pack lunch, drink water, turn off lights. Every dollar you cut is a dollar toward your goals. These aren't sacrifices, they're smart choices. Be intentional. Winning with money on a low income is possible. It takes discipline and focus. Say no to some things now so you can say yes to bigger things later. Your first budget won't be perfect. Keep going. It takes a few months to get it right. Stick with it, and you'll see progress. You can do this.